Howdy friends, it's Layle with Layle by Mail, and today I wanted to share with you an up-close look at the September-October Traveler's Notebook Kit and what I did with the kit. So let's first take a look at the finished product, what I did with the kit. The Traveler's Notebook Kit always has all the product needed to put together your Traveler's Notebook for 2 months. So this is the completed Traveler's Notebook setup that I did with the September kit, and it uses the beautiful Simple Stories Fall Farmhouse collection, and it's such a beautiful soft collection. It's a nice transition going from summer into fall. And I think one of my favorite things about it is this really pretty kind of mint blue color. It's just a nice pop, makes it a little bit different than some of the other fall collections that you might want to see. So that kind of still gives us a little bit of a hang on to summer and that transition with a little bit of that blue in there. So with the kit, we are decorating our pockets. We're talking about different things that you can do to try to add a little bit of extra decoration to that inside pocket, and then slip covering 2 inserts using a little bit of twine, the stickers in the collection, the papers, and so forth. So that is September. For October, I think this has to be one of my most favorite setups ever. And it's because I love the collection so much. It is Hey Pumpkin from Crate Paper. And what I love about it, well, it's all just so fun, very whimsical, fun. That addition of mint green. And what's really interesting is that both collections this month kind of have that light blue, mint green pop of color, which I just love. So in this month, October, we are decorating the pockets. We're using this cute little crepe paper from Crate Paper, Ghost. And we're talking about how you can incorporate ribbon into your traveler's notebooks. We are again slip covering our 1 insert and then 2 inserts. So let's take a look now at the kit and what the kit includes. You can find all of the information about the kit and all the products I'm showing on my website at laylebymail.com. And I've also included a link to that, as well as some of the specific products I've used in the description for the video. So the kits always include 1 insert. So you are typically not using a full insert every month. So you're slip covering and kind of moving forward with what you've had and been using in the past. The 12 by 12 sticker sheet from Fall Farmhouse. And this gives you a really good feel for the collection. Now I love to include full sticker sheets like this into the bi-monthly Traveler's Notebook kits, just because there's so much left over after you have decorated for the month. And here's an example. I have used the Carpe Diem monthly inserts. These also available on my website. And I have taken some of the leftover stickers, and my September is all ready to go in my calendar there. I've also done the same thing for October. October's Halloween. For October as well, using some of the October stickers that are left over. All right, so that was the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then we move into the 3 12 by 12 papers. So that floral that we used to slip cover one of the inserts, that kind of subway art paper that we also used to slip cover one of the inserts. You always also have multiple options because the papers are double-sided. So if you wanted to go with a plaid instead of that subway art, you could do so. And then the different 3 by 4 cards that we are cutting up to decorate the pockets as well as decorate the inserts. All right, so that is September. We'll take a look at October, and then we will take a quick look at the little embellishments that are also included in the kit. So Hey Pumpkin, this part of the kit includes the, it's actually 2 6 by 12 sticker sheets. So there's one there and one there. Those stickers have the really fun kind of holographic foil, so it really gives it a different look for the collection. Then the 2 12 by 12 papers that we are using to slip cover the inserts. I love this one, the little kids trick-or-treating in the houses. And then we have this one. And this is Crate Paper's version of the 3x4 cards. So what I love about the way they've done this, you have 3x4 cards, and then a couple of the cards can be cut into multiple pieces, and then you have the tags along the bottom. So you get so much pattern and so much color and different shapes to work into really any of your projects. All right, let's take a look at the little embellishments that are included in the kit. So you have a full yard of that black and orange polka dot grosgrain ribbon that we are using to tie around our insert here, and we go through a couple of different ways in the exclusive video on how you could tie that in. 18 inches each of 2 different washi, and we are using those to slip cover our inserts to attach temporarily the little paper around the insert covers. You have a paper bow clip, and this is going to be one of 4 designs, or one of 4 patterns. So Fall Farmhouse has 4 different patterns. There are 2 of the 4, and you will have one of the 4 included in your kit. You have this fun little ghosty from Crate Paper. It's the Crepe Paper, C-R-E-P-E, paper, ghost from Crate, C-R-A-T-E, paper. Not fun. Just I love his little kind of his little wispy things there at the bottom. And then you have a little bit of twine for tying a bow, 2 glitter gold stars, a larger kind of silverish clear gem, and then 4 small gems. All right, so that is the September-October Traveler's Notebook Kit. As always with that kit, you are receiving links to 2 exclusive Plan With Me videos where we basically are sitting down together and I am putting the Traveler's Notebooks together. We're designing together. So you're watching the video and then can put your Traveler's Notebook together at the same time. All right, friends, you'll find all of the information about ordering the kit in the description of the video, or you can go to laylebymail.com and see the kit as well as tons of other kits and other add-on products. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.